Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes from Little Scholars Public School. Children, today we are going to start our social studies second chapter, My Country, India. From this chapter, we are going to learn about British Empire and freedom fighters. First of all, British Empire. The British started ruling India from the year 1757. The British controlled India trade and production. Like this, they started ruling India from the year 1757 and they control over Indian trade and production. Whatever production was there in India, they control over it. They took away a part of India's wealth to England, giving India nothing in return. As you know, children, if we are taking anything from anybody, we have to give in return something like the money or anything else. But as they took much of the wealth, gold and other also, so but then also they didn't give anything in return. They collected taxes also from the Indian people. Indian kings were there. The Indian kings from them, England or the Britishers collected much of the tax. In 1857, when the Indian soldiers were asked to use guns, these are the guns here you can see. These types of guns were used in that time period. When the Indian soldiers were asked to use guns smeared with pork and cow's fat, whatever guns were there, they in that whatever the bullets were there, that was covered by, smeared means covered by, the cow's fat. काऊ के मांस से बना हुआ होता था. They refused to do so. That is why, as you know, children, cow is like a god in India. That is why our Indian soldiers refused to do so. From then on, the war against the British rule started and finally ended in 1947 when India got freedom or free from the British rule. During this period, many leaders emerged who worked and fought tirelessly. Without getting tired, many of our Indian leaders emerged for the freedom of India. They were Subhash Chandra Bose and Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh and many more. This way we got the freedom from the British rulers. Now we are going to learn about the freedom fighters, and first of all, yes, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. As you know him as a father of nation. He was born on 2nd October or 2 October 1869. He went to London and South Africa to study. He became a barrister. Barrister means lawyer. And returned to India permanently. He led the Indians in fight against Britishers or British. He led the famous Dandi March. Dandi March, have you heard this Dandi March? Yes. He encouraged people, or he led the famous Dandi March protesting the British rule, against the British rule. He encouraged Indians to use goods made in India. The Britishers, whatever products they are bringing from their country, Gandhiji encouraged our Indians to use, not to use that, but Indian goods are better than that. That is why he encouraged Indians to use the Indian goods. He fought for freedom of the country. Like this. He died, or Gandhiji died in 1948 when he was shot by Nathuram Godse. It happened a year after India got its independence from the British. Now we are going to see about the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23rd July 1856. He was a teacher, lawyer, journalist and freedom fighter. His famous quote, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," is well remembered in India even today. Swaraj means self-rule. Swa means self, Raj means rule. Lokmanya Tilak was also called as father of Indian unrest. He was arrested and put into prison for writing against the British in newspaper. His own newspaper was there, Kesari. In that he wrote against the British rules. That is why many of the times he got arrested and put into the prison. Prison means jail. Now we are going to see about the Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of our free India. He was born on 14th November 1889. He worked as barrister in Allahabad. He became interested in Indian politics as he worked as barrister, as lawyer in Allahabad, in India only, but he also interested in Indian politics. He became a member of the Congress. He met Mahatma Gandhi during one of the meetings in Lucknow. They worked together for the freedom of India. Jawaharlal Nehru led the non-cooperation movement against the British. That is why also Jawaharlal Nehru many of the times arrested and put into prisons for going against the British. Likewise, he was strongly activated in the non-cooperation movement, and that is why he got arrested. In the jail also many of the times he went for that. As we know, children, Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru. He loves roses also and children also. That is why children called him as Chacha Nehru. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Thank you very much for watching it.